Here we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA220 CDI AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the grey exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the Mercedes badge just in the centre of the front grille. Round to the passenger side you find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We also have colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the black roof rails along with the pano glass roof, which is currently open. We have the rear spoiler just there as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. Round to the rear you find we have the dual exhaust. We also have the power assisted tailgate as well. Back round to the driver's side you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first you find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest, we have the red stitching, we also have the red seat belts as well. On the doors you find the electric windows and the integrated speakers. Taking a look at the front, again the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable with the memory function controlled just on the door there. Electric windows and electric mirrors. We also have the auto lights just down there as well. A flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters either side. We also have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. We have the stalk down there for the speed limiter and the cruise control. The main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the likes of the sat-nav. We also have the radio, a range of media as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.